Welcome to this auto tutorial where we present the OtOview application, which allows you to display the teleprompter screen on one or several Android devices such as smartphones, tablets, and even large format monitors through Android TV in the form of external boxes or directly integrated into the monitor. To do this, go to Auto Settings by clicking on the small gear icon, then in the Network tab. You need to then enable both network options. Enable Auto Network and set this computer as Auto Network Master. Remember to save, and then you need to restart Auto. Take this opportunity if you haven't already to install the OtOview application on your Android device from the Play Store. This won't work on Apple's App Store. Open OtOview when the app is installed and restart Auto. You'll notice the red icon in the toolbar indicating that the network option is enabled. You can see a list of connected devices with their IP addresses. For now, there's only us. That's the computer's IP address shown in the image. That ends with .105. You also see a small QR code button, which generates, as you might imagine, a QR code to connect to Auto. However, the simplest way to connect is to open the options in OtOview and simply click on Find Master Auto. As long as Auto and OtOview are connected to the same network, via Wi-Fi or wired network, OtOview will automatically find the Auto Master. You can also enter the IP address manually or use the QR code as we saw just before. First, click on the QR code in Auto, which will generate a small window with a QR code that you can scan from OtOview. And there you go, you're connected. In case of a network failure, quit both Auto and OtOview, then restart both, starting with Auto then OtOview in that order. Now when I scroll in Auto, OtOview scrolls to the same position. On the other hand, if I scroll in OtOview, Auto doesn't move, it remains the master. As soon as I take control back in Auto, OtOview resynchronizes. When I activate teleprompter mode in Auto, this small on-air overlay appears in OtOview. We can configure OtOview to show or hide action markers, the current progress of the text compared to the total duration, and so on. We can also display the title and time remaining until the next action marker. We also have access to an option to enable mirror mode for people using OtOview on camera or stage teleprompters. And if we use OtOview on a monitor or smart TV, we have the underscan option, which resizes the image in case the screen can't display the entire image, and for example, we lose the Q indicator. You can use multiple OtOviews, a tablet, a smartphone, an Android TV, and thus multiple devices, multiple different outputs from a single Auto computer. This is one of the advanced features that works through Auto's network engine.